say I'm the best boss. They say, wow, I can't believe how fun it is to work here. They say, you're hilarious, but you also get the most out of us. I think this sums it up well. I got this on Amazon.
How does Justin make my job easier? Well, since Justin has been our maintenance supervisor here at Palm Bay, the grounds look amazing. So I never have to worry about being on tour and seeing a bunch of trash everywhere. Also, my move-ins are always ready. Apartments always look great. Also, the morale is higher with the maintenance and office team both together.
Alright, what is Justin's supervisor style? I have to say he's really good about bringing everyone together and pushing them forward. He really likes to build up his team so they all work together and they all help each other out in any way that they can. He likes to teach everybody everything that he knows that can put them in a position to doing something better. And he's also really good about having faith in his workers. So if he wants you to figure something out, he believes in you and he'll give you his idea, but ultimately he wants you to figure it out so it betters you as a worker and a person in general.
How has Justin helped me improve as a tech? Well, as if I wasn't already the best one. He's a wealth of knowledge. He might not seem like it, but he is a wealth of knowledge. He knows his stuff. He's very eager to help out. Anytime I have a question or need a hand, he's always there for me. So yeah, I mean, there wasn't a whole lot of room for improvement, but it's nice having him around.
What's the best part about working with Justin? Well, I've known Justin for 2 years. We started working together at Spyglass. During that time, he was great. He was very helpful, knowledgeable, supportive, encouraging. Then he was transferred to Palm Bay, and I happened to be transferred to Palm Bay. And his quality of work is phenomenal. He's very intuitive, thinks outside the box, great with helping others, learning, being creative, supportive, fair, not judgmental, and he's just a great supervisor.
Why would I team up with Justin in case of a zombie apocalypse? Well, we already know he's experienced in leading a group, so we would all follow him without question. He's crafty, he's a quick thinker, so we'd all be safe around him and he'd be able to build or repair anything we needed. And he's reliable, and whenever we need him, we can call. So if anyone's in danger or anybody needs help with a trap, we know he's there for us.
What's it like working with Justin? It's always a fun day. He comes in laughing, making jokes with the other guys. He just always wants to make the day fun. He is constantly nice to people. He's constantly complimenting them. Every single day he compliments me on my hair. It's right before he asks something of me, but I don't care because he's complimenting my hair. He's just one of the nicest guys here. He's probably one of my favorites.
Christine! Justin put my stapler in Jell-O again!
How does Justin being from Indiana help him be a better supervisor? Well, first off, hardworking. Every person from the Midwest is hardworking. They're hard to find without the hard work ethic. Also, he's very friendly. He can tell you to pick up trash off the sidewalk and make it sound almost enjoyable. It's not, but it's part of the job, and he makes it sound great. He's very calm. It takes a lot to take him off, and that's a great quality from Indiana. And I think that's how it helps him.
Hey, are you ready to do your video?
I'm a little busy right now.
It'll take a minute.
Justin, you're great. I highly recommend you. Vote for Justin. 10 out of 10.
Thanks.
So why did I nominate Justin Luthi for maintenance supervisor? Well, if you know Justin, you'll know that he really likes to win things. In fact, there's two things that we know that motivate Justin. It's winning things and food. So if he doesn't win, we're all going to have to buy him a lot of food to get over this. And we just can't afford that much. So please choose Justin.
What can I say about Justin? I mean, we worked together at Spyglass. I just kind of feel like the timing was just never right for us. He went to Palm Bay. I went to corporate. I'm sure he's doing great there. I'm sure he is. You know, everything's fine. I'm fine. We're fine. Everything's fine. It's fine.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, hey.
Hey, you want to do lunch today?
Yeah. I totally want to do lunch today. Yeah.
I'll see you there.
Great. Wow. What were we talking about?
Hey y'all, this is Justin Exotic here. Today we're doing a maintenance tip on furnace filters. They are mucho importante. Change them once a month. If you don't change this thing regularly, it's going to get fuzzier than a tiger cub. Real easy to do. You got two dials, turn them left, take it off, pull the filter out. If it looks dirty, it's time to change it. Don't be like Carol Baskin, change that filter once a month. When it's time to change the filter, head down to the office and the nice leasing girl will give you a new one. This is Justin Exotic signing out.